Good morning, my dear students. Today we can discuss the practical section. So we already start our practical life area. We have 5 areas in practical session: practical life area, sensorial area, language area, maths area, and cultural area. So today we can we can listen the practical exercise, some exercise. So the practical exercise divide in 4 categories. I think you already know that the 4 categories are development of motor skills, care of self, care of environment, social grace, and courtesy. So that already you have learned. So today, development of motor skills. Under the development of motor skills, more activities are there like spooning, pouring, wet pouring, like that, pegging, like that. So today, some activities we can listen. That is spooning activity and pouring activity also. So our trainees, they are doing the spooning activity. That presentation I am going to show you. Okay. Spooning activity, before that we need mat. In every activity we need mat, floor mat, or the mat is rug. Okay, the other name is rug. So the mat, we need mat. So first activity is that how to roll and unroll the mat, how to roll and unroll the mat. And after that, spooning and pouring activity. In between that, the sensorial area, one activity I'm going to give you, that is pink tower. Okay, in between the activity I will give the name of that activities, exercises, everything. So today let's start the practical session, then math also. Then we have a conversation and how to introduce the material, like that. So that also we can include in this video session. Everyone should listen that how to do that exercises and everything. And don't forget that you have to take your children in left side uh, of you, because that adult left side only the child have to sit. Okay, so we can start that spooning activity, pouring activity, and pink tower section also. So you have to listen carefully. In between that I will give the name, and also I will give the dialogues also. Okay. In this spooning activity, first we can take the spooning activity. The materials are tray, 2 bowls, and spoon, and mat also. Definitely we have to take mat. And we can take the transferring beans from bowl to bowl. This is identical bowl, so that's why we have to transfer left side to right side. So left side bowl, we can keep the beans, and we can transfer the beans to right side. Without noise, without making noise, we can transfer the beans. So in between that we can uh, don't say to the child any dialogues. So we can carefully, we can take the beans into the bowl. And if we need any spillage means if we have any spillage in the tray, we can take that spillage into the bowl. And again we can transfer the right side beans from to the left side bowl. This is pouring activity. Pouring means we can um, transferring the beans from jug to two equal jug to two unequal jug, like that. More pouring activity is there. So this is jug to two unequal jug. So we have uh, beans in that left side jug. Excess beans are there in the left side jug. We can pour the beans, we can transfer the beans. So after the transferring the beans, we have the excess beans in the left side jug. And after that, we can any spillage in the beans in the tray, we can take in that spillage into that jug also. And after that, we can again we can transfer that right side jug to left side jug. Okay, this is the way we pour the material. Okay, this is the way we pour the material. I think this is the this way also the child have to do again and again. Okay. Okay, this is pink tower. So we have 10 cubes in pink tower. So in that pink tower, the 10 times the child have to take that pink cubes into the work mat. Okay, we can place a work mat and place the pink cubes in the mat, and we can make a tower like that display. Okay, so this is the way we make the tower in the 10 in with the 10 cubes. This is the pink tower. Is a very big, attractive activity for the child. So the child will do this activity in nice way, and some children they can repeat the again and again this activity. So today we learned the spooning, how to roll and unroll mat like that. This is spooning activity, spooning, transferring beans from jug to two equal, to unequal, three equal, three unequal, and indicator line. So this is the development of motor skill. Under the development of motor skills, we have many activities in spooning, pouring, and wet boring also. This is pouring activity, transferring beans from jug to two equal containers, two equal jug, two unequal jug, and three equal jug also. This is the main activity in spooning and pouring also. Today we have learned spooning activity and pouring activity, and one sensorial activity, that is pink tower. That's an important activity and very attractive activity also. This is the way the child have to do the activity, exercise, everything. And in spooning activity, we have to follow the unequal bowls. we have excess beans in the left side bowl. That is an important one. That is the control of error in that spooning activity. Okay, we have in the presentation material presentation and aim, control of error, point of interest, like that. More uh, presentations are there in the one exercise. We have to write down in that TA in every activity. So that is the control of error in spooning activity. Okay, it's clear, I think. So next class we can learn more activity, more exercises and practice also. And this is the practical section only, so we can see on next class. Okay, thank you.